Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, August 27th, 2025, and we have a lineup of finance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. Luminar Media Group, Inc. reports record financial results. Revenue up 220%, profit surges 800%. Luminar Media Group, Inc., along with its Fortune subsidiaries, reported record-breaking financial results for the first half of 2025. Revenue surged 220% to $356,693, with operating income up 748% and net income before taxes increasing by 807%. Basic EPS also saw a significant 954% rise to $0.1161 per share. Despite a 74% increase in operating expenses, the company achieved over 800% profit growth. CEO Yoel Damas attributes this success to the scalability of their platform and their ability to provide fast, reliable capital to underserved small businesses. Looking ahead, Fortune plans to introduce new digital funding products, enhance underwriting capabilities with AI, and pursue strategic partnerships to expand their presence in the market. Businesses accelerate growth by adopting cloud-based accounting solutions. Cloud-based accounting software is revolutionizing the way companies manage their finances, providing tools to streamline operations and make data-driven decisions in real time. Businesses of all sizes across diverse industries are adopting cloud accounting for its agility, efficiency, and scalability. With seamless access from any internet-connected device, teams can collaborate securely and flexibly, regardless of location. By automating tasks, reducing manual entry, and offering real-time insights, these solutions empower organizations to focus on growth initiatives. While the benefits are clear, successful adoption requires comprehensive training, change management, and careful data migration. Windows, a leading advisory firm, offers tailored expertise to help businesses maximize their potential through cloud accounting. Learn more at wins.com.
Setting a standard. Westerra Credit Union hosts Colorado Scimitar User Group. Westerra Credit Union recently hosted the Scimitar Group Seminar at its Cherry Creek headquarters, bringing together industry leaders and system experts from Denver area financial institutions. Discussions focused on strategic initiatives like leveraging AI, engaging with younger generations, and enhancing technology for member experience. Nicole Andrushko, VP of Marketing, highlighted the importance of building connections and fostering meaningful conversations. Kelvin Louie, Interim CIO, emphasized the group's role in promoting open dialogue and collective learning to benefit members and communities. Westerra Credit Union, founded in 1934, is dedicated to helping individuals and businesses prosper in the Denver area through financial literacy initiatives and community grants programs. Former Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch teams combined to launch $2 billion Longleaf Capital Group on Arcadios Capital platform. Former Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch teams have joined forces to create Longleaf Capital Group, an independent wealth management firm with over $2 billion in assets under advisement on the Arcadios Capital platform. The 6 founding directors bring over 175 years of combined experience in wealth management, institutional investing, accounting, banking, and insurance. This move reflects a national trend of advisors leaving large banks for the flexibility of the hybrid RIA model. Longleaf Capital Group offers comprehensive services including financial planning, retirement planning, estate and tax strategies, alternative investments, insurance solutions, and more. Arcadios Capital, known for its institutional quality platform, supports independent financial advisors in delivering value to clients through innovation and comprehensive support.
Currency news breaks: FinovateFall to unite global fintech leaders in New York City. FinovateFall, produced by Informa plc, will bring together over 2,000 senior executives, decision-makers, and innovators in the financial services industry at the Marriott Marquis Times Square in New York City from September 8 to 10. The event will showcase 60 live product demos from fintech startups and established companies, with presentations from more than 100 industry leaders. Key themes include AI, fraud prevention, embedded finance, open banking, and customer experience. Networking tools and matchmaking technology will facilitate connections with leaders from institutions such as Barclays, Citi, Fidelity, HSBC, ING, and JP Morgan. For more information, visit Finovate's website. Q&A with Mike Sanders, CEO and co-founder of CereTax. What tariffs mean for business operations? Mike Sanders, CEO and co-founder of CereTax, has over 30 years of experience in tax technology. CereTax is a cloud-based sales tax automation platform designed to help businesses navigate complex compliance and regulatory requirements. The platform is built to handle the challenges faced by companies with legacy solutions, offering speed, scalability, dependability, and throughput. Sanders and his team created CereTax to address the complexity of U.S. sales tax and transaction taxes, providing a modern solution for industries like construction, manufacturing, telecommunications, and deregulated energy. The platform uses automation and AI to ensure accurate tax calculations and compliance reporting, especially in the face of rapid tariff changes. CFOs are advised to invest in infrastructure that delivers control, clarity, and confidence in tax compliance, treating tariffs as a trigger event for reviewing sales tax automations.
Tech Media Breaks. Finovate to spotlight innovation with annual awards at FinovateFall in New York City. Finovate, the global fintech conference series produced by Informa plc, will host the Finovate Awards on September 10, 2025, at the Marriott Marquis Times Square in New York City. The awards will honor companies driving financial technology forward and individuals bringing new ideas to market. Winners will be announced during FinovateFall, set for September 8 to 10, 2025. The awards span 30 categories, including Best Anti-Fraud AML Solution, Best Banking as a Service Provider, Best Digital Bank, and Best Financial Mobile App, with new categories such as Best Marketing Customer Acquisition Solution, Best Cryptocurrency Application for FIs, and Excellence in Open Banking. For more information, visit the Finovate website.
Investor news breaks. NEBA to host 151st Investment Conference in Fort Lauderdale this September. The National Investment Banking Association, NEBA, will be hosting its 151st Investment Conference on September 16 to 17, 2025, at the Westin Fort Lauderdale Beach Resort. The event will bring together various industry professionals, including registered investment advisors, private equity groups, and fund managers. Participating companies will have the opportunity to present their business operations and growth roadmaps in 10-minute presentations, followed by one-on-one meetings with investment professionals. NEBA's executive director, Emily Fauci, highlighted the organization's role in fostering partnerships and collaboration within the industry. NEBA has a 40-year track record of completing thousands of transactions totaling over $100 billion in new capital for emerging growth companies. For more information, visit nebanet.org.
A News Breaks. Datavault AI Inc. (DVLT) expands VerifyU platform to combat stolen valor, advance military identity verification. Datavault AI Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol DVLT, has expanded its VerifyU platform to combat stolen valor and advance military identity verification. Through a partnership with Burke Products, Datavault AI will deploy AI and blockchain technologies to mint valor tokens, enabling authentication of service records. Notable supporters include political consultant Roger Stone, UFC champions Frank Mir and Mark Kerr, and veteran policy advocate Christopher Nyweem. With the identity verification market projected to exceed $50 billion by 2030, VerifyU integrates data score algorithms into defense, government, and consumer applications. To learn more, visit Datavault AI's website.
Metavesco publishes tokenization white paper to advance OTC market transparency and liquidity. Metavesco Inc. has released a white paper titled Tokenizing the OTC, a vision for transparency, liquidity, and growth, outlining a framework to bring OTC equities on-chain. The paper addresses systemic barriers faced by small public companies, such as lack of liquidity and toxic financing. By tokenizing OTC equities, Metavesco aims to provide transparency, global liquidity, and lower capital costs for issuers, while offering fairness, visibility, and opportunity for investors. The company advocates for tokenization as a solution to the broken OTC market, promoting global liquidity, on-chain transparency, and lower barriers to reward shareholders. Metavesco's mission is to work with regulators, innovators, and investors to create frameworks that bring OTC securities on-chain responsibly, leading the conversation for a more transparent, liquid, and legitimate OTC market. Gold jumps as Powell hints at September rate cut possibility. The price of gold has increased significantly since the chair of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, hinted at an upcoming shift in U.S. monetary policy. While giving his speech at the recent Federal Reserve Central Bank Symposium, Powell highlighted that economic growth was slowing and discussed the increasing inflation risks, suggesting that the Fed may cut interest rates soon if needed. Gold industry actors like GMXX Corp, GMZ, will be looking to leverage the potential rate cut to their advantage.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.